In the last session, we have learned about number system. What is number system and what are the different types of number system, like decimal number system, binary number system, octal number system and hexadecimal number system. We have also learned how to convert decimal numbers into binary numbers and binary numbers into decimal numbers. Today, let's learn conversion continuation. Let's learn how to convert decimal to binary and verify the answer today. So let's start. Let us convert decimal number 17 to its equivalent binary. So for that, first write the number 17 here and divide the number with base of binary, that is 2. Base of binary is 2. So divide the decimal number 17 by 2. Write the quotient here 8. Then first remainder write here 1. This is the first remainder. You can write the first remainder 1 here. 1. Again divide the quotient by 2 and quotient for remainder 0. This is the second remainder. You have to continue the division till you get the quotient 0. So again divide the quotient by 2. Here 2 remainder, third remainder right here 0. Again divide, then 1, 0, 0 and remainder 1 till the quotient becomes 0. You have to divide the number and you have to write from the, this is the last remainder, this is the last remainder and this is the first remainder. So from last to first, in this order you have to write. So first, this one, first you can write this 1 and second you can write this 0, then this 0, then this 0 and last the first remainder. This will be the binary equivalent to the number 17. 17 decimal is equal to binary number 1 0 0 0 1 base 2. Now let's verify the answer. In the last session we have learned how to convert decimal to binary, also binary to decimal. We can verify this answer, whether the answer is correct or not. So we have got the answer 1 0 0 0 1 base 2. This is the answer. Let us convert that number into its equivalent decimal form. Let us convert that into its equivalent decimal form. So write it again. For converting, we have to learn, converting into decimal, we have to learn two formulas, that is a raised to 0 is equal to 1 and a raised to 1 is equal to that number itself. So 2 raised to 0 will be 1 and 2 raised to 1 is equal to 2.
or 4 raised to 0 is equal to 1 and 4 raised to 1 is equal to 4. Any number, if it is 100, 100 raised to 0 is equal to 1 and 100 raised to 1 is equal to 100. So any number to the power 0 is equal to 1 and any number to the power 1 is equal to that number itself. So that you must study, you must by heart that formula. Now let's do the conversion. For that, first take this one. You have to take that one, first that one. And its position value. What is the position value? Position value is 0 here and position value 1 here and 2 here, 3 here and 4 here. These are the position values. So 1 into 2 to the power this position value. What is the position value? The 0. And second number 0 into 2 raised to position value. This one. 1. Again 0 into 2 raised to position value is 2, 2. 0 into 2 raised to 3 position value of that number. Then last one 1 into 2 raised to 4. 2 raised to 2 means 2 into 2. 2 raised to 3 means 2 into 2 into 2. 2 raised to 4 means 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So what is this? 4, 8 and 16. 1 into 2 raised to 1, 0 is equal to 1. Then 0 into 2 raised to 1 is equal to 2. 0 into 2 raised to 2, 2 raised to 2, this one. 2 raised to 2 is equal to 4. And 0 into 2 raised to 3 is equal to 8. 1 into 2 raised to 4 is equal to 16. Now let's write and multiply that number. So we can write 1 into 1. Okay, 1. 0 into any number 0. 0 into any number 0. 0 into 8 0. Here 1 into 16 16. Now let's add these numbers. All these numbers we can add. 16 plus 0 16. 16 plus 0 again 16. 16 plus 0 16. 16 plus 1 17. Now we got the answer 10011. Binary equivalent decimal is equal to 17. So like this we can verify the answer. Let's do one more example. Convert decimal number 14 to its equivalent binary form. For that, write the decimal number 14 here. Divide the number with the base of binary, that is 2. Quotient is 7. Remainder is 0. Again divide 3 and remainder 1. Divides 1 1. Divide 0 1. So the binary number, and we have to write from here to top, bottom to top. First I am writing this one 1, second 1, then this one 1, and last 0. First remainder last. This is the binary equivalent for the decimal number 1410. So you can write here 1110 is the binary equivalent to 14. Now let's verify the answer. You must verify the answer. So write here 1110. Binary, we have to convert that into its equivalent decimal form. Write the number 110. Now let's convert. So first, this one, its position value is 0. 0 into 2 raised to 0. What is the position value of this one? That is 1. So that number 1 into 2 raised to 1. Again take this one third, 1 into 2 raised to 2. 1 into 2 raised to 3. Now let's multiply. Any number to the power is equal to 0 into 1 is equal to 1. So 0 into any number to the power 0 is equal to 1. So 0 into 1. Any number to the power 1 is equal to that number itself. So 2, 1 into 2 raised to 2, 4. 1 into 2 raised to 3 is equal to 8. Let us multiply 0, 2, 4, 8. And let us add this all number together. 8 plus 4, 12, 12 plus 2, 14, 14 plus 0, 14 itself. So we will get 1110 binary equivalent decimal is equal to 14. So that answer is correct. Now let's do another example. Third one. Convert decimal number 29 to its equivalent binary number. So let us start dividing the number 29 by 2, 1, 4. Then first remainder you can write here 2, 7, 0. Again divide 2, 3, remainder 1, 2, 1, remainder 1. Divide till the quotient becomes 0 and last remainder 1. Now you can write from last remainder to the first remainder. So we can write 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1. That is the binary equivalent for this decimal number 29. Now let us verify the answer. So let us write 1 into 2 raised to 0. Second number 0 into 2 raised to 1. Third number 1 into 2 raised to 2. 1 into 2 raised to 3. 1 into 2 raised to 4. 1 into 1. 0 into 2. 1 into 4. 1 into 8. 1 into 16. 1, 0, 4, 8, 16. So total 29. 16 plus 4, 20, 28 plus 1, 29. So equivalent for 11101 equivalent is 29 decimal. Verified. So we have verified that answer. Now let's convert binary number 10 10 10 to its equivalent decimal value. So for that, first let us write the binary number here 10 10 10 and start converting. 0 into 2 raised to 0, 1 into 2 raised to 1, 0 into 2 raised to 2, 1 into 2 raised to 3, 0 into 2 raised to 4, 1 into 2 raised to 5, 2 raised to 0, 1, 1 into 0, 0, 2 raised to 1, 2, 1 into 2, 2, 2 raised to 2, 4, 0 into any number 0, 2 raised to 3, 8, 1 into 8, 8, 0 into any number is equal to 0, 1 into 2 raised to 5, 2 raised to 5 means 32. Now let's add 32 plus 8, 40, then 42. This decimal value is equal to 42. Can write here 42 is the decimal value for that 101010. Now let's verify that. Let's do the conversion decimal to binary now. For that we can write the number 42 here, divide that number by 2, so 2, 1, 0, remainder, again divide 2, 1, 0, 1 remainder, 2, 5, 0 remainder, divide 2, 2, 1 remainder, 2, 1, 0 remainder, 2, 0, 1 remainder, and we can write that number from bottom to top, last remainder to the first remainder. That number we can write here 10 1010 binary. So its equivalent is binary equivalent for 42 is 101010. So we have verified. Let's do one more example. Convert 1111 5 ones binary to its equivalent decimal form. So for that, let us write the number here 1111. 5 ones here, let us write and start to convert. 1 into 2 raised to 0, 1 into 2 raised to 1, 1 into 2 raised to 2, 1 into 2 raised to 3, 1 into 2 raised to 4. Here we can write 2 raised to 0, 1, 1 into 1, 1, 2 raised to 1, 2, 1 into 2, 2, 2 raised to 2, 4, 1 into 4, 4, 2 raised to 3, 8, 1 into 8, 8, and last one 2 raised to 4, 16, 1 into 16, 16. Let's add that together. So 30, 16 plus 4, 20, 28, 30, 31. We will get the decimal equivalent 31. This is the decimal equivalent for this binary number. Let's verify the answer. For that, write the number 31 here and convert into its binary form. remainder 1, 7, remainder again 1, 2, 3, remainder again 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 0, 1. And write from last remainder to the first remainder like this. We can write 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. This is the binary equivalent. So we have verified the answer. So you have to verify the answer like this.